Hey guys, Nat here at Shoes of Hollywood once again. We have another unboxing. These are a beautiful pleaser shoe. Come in a gorgeous box. These are another one of their single-soled shoes, a 5-inch heel. So we're excited. Alrighty. So these are a beautiful beige cream colour. Very cute. It's got this gorgeous bow at the back, ankle strap, and a little bit of an open toe. About the other one as well. Once again, these shoes are a beautiful quality with the colour continuing under the toe here. Very, very nice. And that bow is just adorable. There's no other word. Very, very nice. So we'll chuck these ones on. Okay, this strap is really good. It's also a it moves around, so if it's not quite in the right position you can fix it so that it is. I'm having a bad day with buckles. It's like they're out to get me. Okay, I'll try the other one as well. So these ones are in a size 7, and I'm a size 7 and they fit absolutely perfect. Alright, put them on. They're pretty cute. Have a little walk. So these ones were a single sole 5-inch heel. Cute bows. They also come in a red and in black, but I really like this colour. I think it is very, very nice. We'll give you a side view. Oh, they're really pretty. Absolutely gorgeous these are. I really can't get over the bow. It is so cute. So these were another pleaser single-soled shoe, 5-inch heel, in beige cream. They're absolutely stunning. I hope you enjoyed that video and that review. I hope you like the shoes because I absolutely love them. Let me know what you think of them in the comments. Hit the notification bell and subscribe, and we'll catch you for our next video. Bye!